सिस्टम आते पड़ते दीदी का
अच्छा ये दो क्लास
सब रिलेटेड है.
Good morning, dear students. As you know that after a long break, after the exam, now we are going to begin our classes. Okay. So today the math class is there. Chapter first. Now we will start the chapter first. Integers. Okay. The name of the chapter is integers. Okay. So now we are sorry. The name of chapter second I think is there. Chapter second is there. Chapter second. First already I completed. Chapter second integer is there. So now we are going to start the chapter second integer. So as you know that from this Monday, from today, we are going to start our online classes on the Google Meet also. It doesn't mean that whole class on Google Meet. Just follow the rules. It means first we have to send the video links. Just see the video carefully. Afterwards, if you are having any doubt, then we will arrange a meeting on Google Meet. Then you can ask your doubt there. Okay. It means first we have to share a link. Just see the link, see the video properly, and try to understand. Then also you are facing any problem, then we have to arrange a Google Meet class. Then you have to ask their doubt there. Okay. So the chapter second is integer. Name of the chapter second is integer. What is the integer? Anyone can say? Okay, integer. All negative and positive numbers are called integer. All negative and positive numbers are called integer. It means all negative and positive number are called integers. जितने भी negative और positive number है वो सब के सब क्या कहलाते हैं? Integers. All negative and positive numbers are called integers. Suppose negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, or like this. All number are called integers. These all number are called integers. It means all negative and all positive number are called integers. But zero is neither negative nor positive. Zero ना तो negative है और न ही क्या है positive है. Zero is neither negative nor positive. Okay. There are two types of integers. Negative integers. All negative numbers. All negative numbers. All negative numbers are called negative integers. Suppose see negative 8, negative 7, negative 5, 10, negative 1, and here negative 9, negative 10, and all positive numbers are called positive integers. Okay, all positive numbers are called positive integer, all negative numbers are called negative integer. Then next, absolute value. The absolute value of a given number. What is the absolute value? I think you learn. What is the absolute value? Absolute value means the value of the number excluding the symbol of the given number. आपको जो भी नंबर दिया हुआ है अगर उसके सिंबल को हम इग्नोर करें तो जो वैल्यू है that value is called absolute value. Suppose you are having a number 3 and we will write absolute value by modulus. This two lines is called modulus. What? Modulus. So modulus of positive number is always positive and modulus of negative number is always positive. Okay. It means if you are having a number 3 and you have to write the absolute value of 3, then answer is 3. And if you are having a number negative 4, then write the absolute value. You just ignore the symbol and the absolute value is 4. Suppose example negative 7, absolute value is 7. One more example 2, absolute value is 2. So absolute value means just ignore the symbol of the given number. That number is called absolute value of the given number. मतलब जो भी नंबर आपको दिया हुआ है आप उसके सिंबल को छोड़ दो, रिमूव कर दो, then the number only, that number is called absolute value. Okay, take the screenshot and write in a notebook. So now we are starting our exercise chapter 2, exercise 2.1. 2.1. The first question is, see in your book, the first question is write the opposite of the following. It means you have to write the opposite of the following. There are 6 questions. You have to write the opposite of the following. First one, the decrease in 20 points. Decrease means कम होना, तो decrease का opposite क्या होगा? Increase. तो क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Increase in 20 points. Next, second, profit of 400. Profit means gaining, लाभ. Profit कहते हैं क्या कहते हैं? मुनाफा. Profit of 400 means the profit or the opposite of profit is loss of 400. Okay. Next, 64 kilometers south. 64 किलोमीटर साउथ। साउथ का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? नॉर्थ। तो आंसर क्या होगा? 64 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ। नेक्स्ट 28 मीटर अबव द सी लेवल। सी लेवल से 28 मीटर अबव, 28 मीटर अबव द सी लेवल। अबव का मतलब होता है ऊपर, और तो ऊपर का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? बिलो। तो क्या आंसर होगा इसका? 280 मीटर बिलो द सी लेवल। 280 मीटर बिलो द सी लेवल। इट मींस 280 मीटर अबव द सी लेवल का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? 280 मीटर बिलो द सी लेवल। लूजिंग वेट ऑफ 6 kg। 6 kg वेट को लूज करना, कम करना। क्या करना? कम। कम का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? ज्यादा, मतलब इंक्रीज करना। तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? गेनिंग अ वेट ऑफ 6 kg। गेनिंग का मतलब होता है बढ़ाना, ओके। और लूजिंग का मतलब होता है कम करना, और गेनिंग का मतलब होता है बढ़ाना। तो लूजिंग अ वेट ऑफ 6 kg क्या हो जाएगा? गेनिंग अ वेट ऑफ 6 kg। एंड लास्ट विड्रॉ ऑफ 1000 रुपीज। 1000 रुपीज को निकालना, विड्रॉ करना। तो निकालने का अपोजिट क्या होगा? डिपॉजिट। इट मींस जमा करना। तो क्या आंसर होगा इसका? डिपॉजिट ऑफ ₹1000, ओके। So in first question, write the opposite of the following. It means you have to write only the opposite of the following. The first one, decrease in 20 points. क्या होगा इसका? Yes, very good. Increase in 20 points. The second one, profit of 400. क्या होगा? Loss of 400. Very good. 64 kilometer south, 64 kilometer north. Next, 280 meter above the sea level and 280 meter below the sea level. Losing a weight 6 kg. It means gaining a weight 6 kg. Next, a withdraw of ₹1000. It means a deposit of ₹1000. Okay, so write this question with answer in your notebook. Okay, then next, second question. So the next question, second one, represent the following numbers integers with appropriate symbols. Sings. It means उनके एप्रोप्रिएट सिंबल के साथ में उनको रिप्रेजेंट करना है। अगर कोई चीज बढ़ रही है देन पॉजिटिव, कम हो रही है देन नेगेटिव, ऊपर है देन पॉजिटिव, नीचे है देन नेगेटिव। लाइक दिस आल्सो 13 मीटर बिलो। बिलो का मतलब होता है कम, तो उसका सिंबल क्या होगा? नेगेटिव 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस, ओके। 70 मीटर अबव का मतलब होता है ऊपर ज्यादा, तो पॉजिटिव 70 मीटर, ओके। नेक्स्ट 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस बिलो, इट मींस नेगेटिव 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस। 80 मीटर बिलो, कम हो रहा है, इट मींस नेगेटिव 80 मीटर। नेक्स्ट ऑपोजिट ऑफ नेगेटिव 51। नेगेटिव का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव 51। लॉस का मतलब कम होना, कम होना क्या होगा? नेगेटिव 125, ओके। सो दिस इज द appropriate symbol, numbers with your appropriate symbol. You have to read the sentence, and by reading the sentence you have to just find out what is the symbol, negative or positive, okay. Take the screenshot and write in a notebook. Next, the question number third, fill up is there. Next, the question number third is fill up, fill in the blanks, and it means we have to fill the blanks. First, the opposite of negative 15. negative 15 का opposite क्या होगा? positive 15, okay. फर्स्ट फिल का आंसर ये हो जाएगा, द ऑपोजिट ऑफ नेगेटिव 15 पॉजिटिव 15. सेकंड, जीरो इज कंसीडर्ड नाइदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव. तो जीरो जो है वो नाइदर पॉजिटिव एंड नॉर नेगेटिव. स्टार्टिंग में मैंने बोल दिया था कि जीरो जो है वो ना तो पॉजिटिव है और ना ही क्या है नेगेटिव. तो जीरो इज नाइदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव, ओके. द कलेक्शन ऑफ डैश नंबर्स एंड ऑल डैश नंबर्स इंक्लूडिंग द जीरो इज कॉल्ड इंटीजर. इंटीजर की डेफिनेशन यहाँ पे दी हुई है. क्या होता है इंटीजर? ऑल नेगेटिव नंबर, ऑल पॉजिटिव नंबर एंड जीरो. तो क्या क्या मिसिंग है यहाँ पे? द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, ऑल नेगेटिव नंबर्स एंड जीरो ऑलरेडी गिवन. सो द फर्स्ट फिल्म में क्या आएगा? पॉजिटिव नंबर और सेकंड फिल्म में आएगा नेगेटिव नंबर. फर्स्ट फिल्म में आएगा पॉजिटिव एंड सेकंड फिल्म में क्या आएगा? नेगेटिव नंबर. इंक्लूडिंग जीरो इज नोन एज इंटीजर. जीरो इज ग्रेटर देन एंड लेस देन. जीरो जो है वो किससे बड़ा होता है बेटा? जीरो आपको बड़ा है नेगेटिव इंटीजर से. किससे बड़ा है? नेगेटिव. और छोटा किससे होता है? पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. तो जीरो इज लेस देन नेगेटिव इंटीजर. इस फिलअप में आएगा जीरो इज सॉरी, 0 इज ग्रेटर देन नेगेटिव इंटीजर। फिलअप में पहला फिलअप में आएगा नेगेटिव, 0 इज ग्रेटर देन नेगेटिव इंटीजर एंड 0 इज लेस देन पॉजिटिव इंटीजर। तो पहले वाले फिलअप में आएगा नेगेटिव और सेकंड वाले फिलअप में आएगा पॉजिटिव। ओके, सो द 0 इज ग्रेटर देन नेगेटिव इंटीजर एंड लेस देन पॉजिटिव इंटीजर। नेक्स्ट, ऑल पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज ऑलवेज, सारे के सारे जो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है 1 2 3 4 5 6 जो भी है, जितने भी, ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द नेगेटिव इंटीजर। ये जो है हमेशा बड़े होते हैं किससे? नेगेटिव इंटीजर से। तो क्या आंसर आएगा इसका? इसमें फिलअप करना आपको, द ऑल सॉरी अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर। क्या आएगा? ग्रेटर, ज्यादा होता है तो GREATER, इस फिलअप में आएगा GREATER। सो फिलअप विद ग्रेटर। Okay, so the all positive numbers is always greater than the negative number. Next, the successor of negative 92. Negative 92. What is the successor of negative 92? So for the finding the successor, as you know that we will add 1 for finding the successor. So 92 minus 1, then 91, and symbol is negative. So the negative 91 is the successor of negative 92. Okay, any doubt? Next, what is the predecessor of 0? 0 का predecessor. For finding the predecessor, as you know that we will subtract negative 1. For the successor, we will add positive 1, and for the predecessor, we will subtract negative 1. Then 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So the predecessor of 0 is negative 1. So the predecessor of 0 is negative 1. I think you have understood all of this fill-up. Okay. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. But first fill-up is there. The opposite of negative 15 is positive 15. 0 is considered, 0 क्या होता है? Neither positive nor negative. Next, the collection of all positive numbers, all negative numbers and including 0 are called integers. Next, 0 is greater than, 0 is greater than negative integer. 0 जो है नेगेटिव इंटीजर से बड़ा होता है, बट लेस देन पॉजिटिव इंटीजर। तो पहले वाला फिलअप में नेगेटिव, सेकंड वाले में पॉजिटिव। नेक्स्ट, अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज ऑलवेज, एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन नेगेटिव इंटीजर। तो नेगेटिव दिया हुआ है, फिल करना है ग्रेटर, क्या आएगा इसमें? ग्रेटर। ओके, एंड द सक्सेसर ऑफ 92, negative 92 is negative 91, and the predecessor of 0 is negative 1. So this is the way to fill in your blanks in the fill up. Okay, if you are having any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, so next question, fourth one. I think you understood the third one, fill in the blanks. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. But we are now starting fourth one, using the number line. It means you have to use this number line and put greater than, equal or less than. तो यहाँ पे नंबर लाइन जो होती है वो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, इट मींस छोटे से बड़े ऑर्डर में होती है नंबर लाइन। ओके, सो द जस्ट सी 0 इज हियर एंड नेगेटिव 5 इज हियर। इट मींस 0 इज पहले बाद में आ रहा है, नेगेटिव 5 पहले आ रहा है, तो बिगर देन 0 देन ग्रेटर देन। नेगेटिव 7 इज हियर एंड 4 इज हियर। इट मींस 4 बड़ा है देन ग्रेटर देन। ओके, देन 2 and 3, 2 is here and negative 3 is here. Negative 3 is here. So 2 is bigger, so greater than this side. Okay. 7 and negative 7. 7 is here and negative 7 is here. So 7 is bigger, so greater than. Negative 11 and 9. Negative 11 is here and 9 is here. So 9 is bigger, so less than. Okay. Negative 1. Negative 1 is here and 0. 0 is here. So 0 is bigger, so again less than. It means you have to use the number line and put the appropriate symbol in the given blanks. Okay, so आपको इसको देख कर क्या करना है, इसके अंदर फिल द ब्लैंक्स में फिल करना है. So take the screenshot, draw the number line also and write in a notebook. Okay, so next fifth question, fill in the following boxes using the greater than, equal or less than. It means you have to use the greater than, equal and less than and fill in the box. Okay, so negative 23 and negative 41, which one is smaller and which one is greater than? Sikha. Yes, negative 23 is come first, so negative 23 is greater than negative 41. Both are negative. Okay, so negative 63, but modulus is there, so the modulus value, it means the modulus absolute value is negative 63. Already I told you 63, and here is also 63. and here is also same number are there, then you will put equal symbol. Okay, next 100 and negative 125, which one is bigger? Avika, 100, then greater than. Okay, negative 55, but absolute value of negative 55 is 55, and here also absolute value of negative 80 is 80. So which one is bigger, 80 or 55? 80. So less than. Okay, next absolute value of negative 25 is 25, and the absolute value no absolute, directly negative 64. Which one is bigger, 25 or negative 64? Yes, 25. So greater than. Next negative 70 and absolute value of negative 60. So 70, absolute value of negative 60 is 60. Which one is bigger? 70. So it is greater than. So like this you have to fill in your notebook. So take the screenshot and write in your notebook. If you have any difficulty, then you can ask. But I think this is easy. Only you have to find out which one is greater than. After put the greater than, less than, or equal. Okay. Okay. So the next question. Write the additive inverse of the following integers. Additive inverse. What is the meaning of additive inverse? Anyone can say? Sikha. Yes, we. Okay, I will say. Additive inverse means, suppose you are having a number 2. Which number you are adding this number, the result becomes 0? Yes, very good. Negative 2. If you are adding negative 2 in 2, then the result becomes 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So that negative 2 is called additive inverse of 2. This negative 2 is called additive inverse of 2. Suppose you are having a number negative 3. Which number you will add in negative 3, then the result becomes 0? Very good, plus 3. So the plus 3 is called the additive inverse of negative 3. Okay, so additive inverse means you just remove change the symbol of the given number. That number is called additive inverse of the given number. It means you have to change the symbol of the given number, that the given number is called additive inverse of the number. Okay, suppose 123, the additive inverse of 123 is negative 123. The additive inverse of negative 34 is positive 34. The additive inverse of 0 is 0. Same. The additive inverse of negative 230 is positive 230. It means additive inverse means the number which we have to the, when we have to add to the given number, then the result becomes 0. That number is called additive inverse of the given number. If we have a given number, which number we have to add in the given number, then the result becomes 0. So that number is called additive inverse of the given number. So like this the way to find out the additive inverse. Okay, so take the screenshot. Okay, so next question, 6th one. Arrange the following collection of integer in the ascending order. Ascending order. You have to arrange in the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So just find out which one is smaller. Negative 16, negative 18, 15. So smaller is negative 20. Negative 20. Afterwards negative 20, then negative 18. बिल्कुल सही है. Afterwards then negative 17. Then negative 16, then negative 12, then all negative are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now positive 11, 15. Only two are there. 11 and last 15. This is your ascending order. Which is the ascending order. Okay, ascending order means smaller to bigger. Any doubt? The next one. Tell me that which one is the most smaller number. Negative 63. So negative 63. Afterward negative 31, negative 21. It means negative 31. Then negative 22. Then negative 5. All negative numbers are over. Now positive 28, 14, 11 and 20. So after 11, 14, then 20 and 28. So this is your ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So like this you have to solve the remaining C and D. That the remaining C and D. Again don't ask what is the homework. The remaining C and D is your homework. The remaining C and D both is your homework. Like this you have to solve. Okay, take the screenshot, and C and D is your homework. So next question 8th one. Arrange the following collection of integer in the descending order. Descending order. What is the meaning of descending order? Bigger to smaller. So like that 7 question we have to arrange like, but bigger to smaller. So 12, negative 10, 13, 8, 15, negative 12, 16 and 8. The bigger number is 16. Afterwards 15, then 13. Sorry, then 13. Afterwards 12. And then negative all positive over 1, 2, 3, sorry 8. Afterwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or positive negative 10, negative 12 and negative 8. Which one is bigger? Negative 8. Then negative 10. And last one is negative 12. So this is the descending order. Okay. So the next see B and D. B and D both is your homework. In homework you have to solve B and D like this only ascending order. So 0, negative 59, 70, 32, negative 45, 88, 9, 51 and negative 25. Which one is bigger? 88. Afterwards 70. Then 51. Then 32. Then 9. And afterwards all positive is over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now negative. Negative 59, negative 45, negative 35. So negative 30. Sorry. 0 is after 9 is 0. Then negative 35. Then negative 45 or last negative 30. So negative 59. So this is your ascending order to change in the descending order. This is the way to change in the number in the descending order. The next B and D. I solved A and C. B and D is your homework. So like this only you solve. Okay. Take the screenshot. So the next question number 9 and question number 10 is the practical based question. So just cut the question number 10. No need to solve the question number 10. You just cut the question number 10. The question number 10 is not important due to the exam view. Okay. So just question number 9. Write the all integers between negative 5 and negative 1. Negative 1 and 5 के बीच में आपके सारा इंटीजर क्या होता है? नेगेटिव होता है 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the answer 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The integer between negative 1 and negative 5. Next, write all the even negative integer less than negative 8. Negative 8 से छोटे even integer negative 6, negative 4 and negative 2. This is your answer. Okay. Any doubt? Write the all odd positive integer. Odd positive integer less than 12. 12 से छोटे odd positive integer 11, 9, 7, 5, 3 and 1. So this is your answer. Okay, next, write all the non-negative integer from negative 5 to 6. Negative 5 to 6 के बीच में non-negative, negative नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is your answer. Okay. Any doubt? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are non-negative integer between the given integer. So this is the solution of 9 question. So take the screenshot and write in your notebook. The question number 10 is not important due to the exam view. So just exercise 2.1 is completed. So if you have any doubt, then after 10 minutes we will arrange the Google Meet class and you can ask them your doubt there. Okay. But simply don't say sir we send the solution. Just try to solve and try. Okay. Try to understand. Today's class is over. Thank you. 23